Today, our hike on the Pinhoti Trail, our plan was to start at FS500, park at the Coleman Lake trailhead, and go northbound just to connect a section that we have not been to before. For whatever reason, once we got there, we decided to go southbound, and we've been through this section before, and it's absolutely beautiful with the longleaf pines and all the beautiful ferns, and there's many other things to see on the way. We didn't really have a plan in place for the day because isn't that what hiking's about? You can go point to point or do a loop, go as long or as far as you want. And yes, our hikes vary, but that's what hiking is, and that's the beauty of it. What we found was Coleman Lake Loop Trail. It's a loop that goes around the lake, and we've never been to it before, so we decided to do it. I'm so happy we did. We had some wonderful surprises to see on the way, and it was just a gift. Proverbs 16:9 says, "A man's heart plans his way, but the Lord directs his steps." I'm really glad he directed our steps this way because it made for a really nice day.
Tulip poplar. It's pretty. It's missing some of its leaves, but I love it.
I like those too.
Yep. Stars have to be aligned perfectly.
Yes, exactly. Don't want to see this danger noodle today.
Yep.
So nice sign for a copperhead.
Oh yeah, the sun's out. Sun's out, snakes out.
Right. It's pretty. Oh. All right, this is pretty cool. We came off of right back here, and then, or sorry, right there. And right down here is just the boat ramp for Coleman Lake. And there's areas with picnic benches, and you can camp. It's pretty cool. And then right back here, you just go across where you boat dock at, and there's the hiking trail. And it continues on to around the bridge that we crossed to begin with. It is pretty. Wall of some kind. Oh, I love this. This is so cool. See, that's what's cool about when you go and you plan your route and you're like, oh, this is here, this is there. And then never in a million years did we think we would see like something like this ever. It was